So I'm going to be showing you how you can have an avatar of yourself, or how you can create avatar of yourself, or you can also call it cartoon of yourself, how you can cartoon yourself, right? So let's dive right into it. So you go to Play Store and search for Bitmoji. This is it. I already have it installed, so it will just show me open. Alright, so I tap on open, and since I've created an account before, because I had to uninstall it and then reinstall it again, so I can create an avatar or I can just log in. I already created an avatar, but let me just show you the process. So I click create avatar. So you fill all this form, all this information. I'm not going to fill any correct information. I can't even do this again because I've done it before. I've signed up with my email address and password, and I've verified my email address. So I'm going to go back and then click login. Right? So after you have logged in, this is what appears, okay? But in your own case, if it is your first time, you have to fill all those details, and then it will take you to a place where you take a picture of yourself if you want to, or if you want to create a manual avatar of yourself. So that means you start selecting all this. Just look at the bottom of the screen, you see avatar. All right. So this is an avatar. You can change. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you see all the things you can change. Look at the hairstyle, look at the hair color, look at the eyebrow. So you can choose, eye shape. So you can choose, see the eyebrow, see the lips, the ear. Okay, so all these are as additional things like your clothes. You can change the dress you're wearing. And all that. All right, so if I change this dress now, I tapped on the center one, you can see it has changed. Let me tap the first one, it will change. Do you get? I'm going to undo to the formal one I have, which is this. I'm usually on a black nightgown most of the time, so I just like it this way. All right, so this is where you can choose. I'm scrolling now. So this is where you can choose your dress, choose the shoe that you're wearing. I just tapped on shoe now, so you can choose any shoe you like. All right, so that is basically it. I'm choosing a different shoe now. I'm choosing a different shoe. So this is basically it anyway. I'm choosing a different shoe. So you just play around it. Okay, let me leave it at this sandal because I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm going to leave it at this. Yeah, so that is just it. So after you've done, choose any one of your choice. You can now click save at the top of your screen, top right corner of your screen. So these are avatars of, with me for different emotions or different gestures. So let's say I am maybe sad, or I am happy. Let me type happy here. I will type happy. All right, so you can see all the different shapes. So let me select the center one at the top. All right, so I just selected the one at the top. So after I've selected that, I can just share it directly if I wanted to share it on WhatsApp, or I can save it by scrolling. I'm sliding to the left, then I'll click save. Okay, so allow Bitmoji to access phone, yes. So it is saved now. Let me go back to my gallery and I'll show it to you under Bitmoji. Okay, so there is also another one. So these are the Bitmojis I've created so far. Okay, so this is the one I just saved. So I can use it in my Canva when I'm designing, okay, or I can send it like this, whichever one I want to do. So this is basically how to use Bitmoji. So there's also another one you can download from Play Store. It's called Avaton. That one looks more like a game. Let me search for it. Avaton. This is it. Okay, that one is more colorful than this Bitmoji, but it's more like a game. So you have to buy coin. I already have it installed, so I'm opening it right now. So you can install it and also play around it. So this is an avatar of myself that I already created. Let me create another avatar so you see how it works. So I'll click the plus sign. So you click on plus avatar here. Sorry about that advert. So you select if you're male or female. I'll select female in my case. So to ask you for facial recognition or manual creation. So if you select facial recognition, you're asking to take a camera picture of yourself, right? So I'll select it and then put my face in this shape, and then take a shot. I click the center icon, okay, the icon at the middle. So this is me. So this is what I look like, right? As in using my picture. Now I already have 2,800 coins because I installed the app earlier. And when you install the app, they'll ask you to take some survey. They'll ask you some questions. As you're answering all those questions, you'll be getting some coins. All right. So these coins is what enables you to be able to buy some certain features that you want to buy. For instance, you want to, okay, before I go into that, this is for, you can change the shape of your face here. All right, you can change the shape of your face. I'm selecting different shapes. You can also select, look at the middle of my screen. After the face shape, the next one you see is hairstyle. So I'll click it, and then you can also select any hairstyle of your choice. So I'm going to tap the first one. You can see my hairstyle has changed. Tap the next one. So like that, you can change any hairstyle of your choice, right? So after you've done that, right, you can also change your eye, the shape of your eye, by tapping the third icon. Okay, so these are the different types of eyes you can have. You can have this, you can have this. I like this one. I'm going to leave it like this. So after you've done that, you can also change your eyebrow by tapping this eyebrow. So you can change any eyebrow of your choice, right? You can change any eyebrow of your choice. So so this is it, right? So when you are done, you tap save. Even your lips, also your nose, your lips, everything, just play around it. Okay, just play around it. After you've done that, click save at the top right corner of your screen, which is what I've done, and it will return you back to fast and affordable rides. So it will return you back to this. So because I've created 2 avatars before now, so this will be avatar number 3, or I can save it with any name I like. So I'll click save. All right, so now let me show you how, when you want to now use your coin, like you want to maybe change your outfit or change anything, maybe your shoes. So I'm going to select clothes. Look at the right of my screen. You see face, beauty, clothes, background, pose. So I'm going to select clothes. All right, that's why I told you this one looks like a game. All right, so it's asking me to, it's filled with so many surprises, these people. So I'm going to tap. Wow, congratulations, you're one of our luckiest winners. We have prepared a fabulous gift for you. Got it. Enjoying Avaton 5-star. I know it will take me to Play Store to rate them. I know. Oh my god, I don't want to do the rating now, please. I'm going to go back. Later I'll rate you guys. Okay, so this is, if I want to change, this is the outfit I already have, but if I want to change this outfit, you can see how much coin I'll have to pay. 1,360 for the second one. So if you scroll, look at this one, 1,810. So if I should select any of this outfit now, my coin will reduce by subtracting the amount it costs to get that particular outfit I want. Do you understand? So the same thing with jackets, the same thing with lingeries, the same thing with footwear. Do you get? So any footwear, if I select any footwear now, let me select this pink one. Okay, you can see, right? My coins, if I go ahead and save it, my coins will reduce. Do you get? My coins will reduce. So I'm going to click undo. Yeah, so I'm going to click save at the top of my screen. So that is basically how you can create an avatar of yourself. This app is filled with so many adverts. That's what I don't like about it. So this is where we were before, but if you look at the bottom of my screen, the third icon from my left, the third icon, that's the one with A/B. Sorry. So if I select it now, okay, this is it will start asking you questions. Which would you rather be? Anyone you select, let me tap on the first one. It will give me some coin. Look at the top of my screen, 2,820 coins that I have now. Let me answer another question here. It says pick to pick photo collage. I'll select the first one again. So it has given me another coin. You can see 2,830. So this is, if you keep answering questions, your coin will continue to increase. Do you understand? So for me to save an avatar of my, or a sticker of myself using this outfit, so I'm going to click the second icon at the bottom of my screen from the left. So this is stickers. You can see photo booths. You can tap photo booths and you can tap stickers. So what I want to do is stickers. So using any of these avatars that have created, using any of these avatars I've created, you can see it's avatar 1, 2, and 3. So I will just scroll for a particular one that suits what I want to, the content I wrote, or the message I want to pass. For instance, if I want to make an announcement, I'll use this one that is showing 500 coins. Do you get? If I want to say hi or hello, do you get? I'm going to spend some coin. If I want to say bye, I'm going to spend some coin. If I want to say anything, any of all these things. So let me just select the one with a small coin. Hola. Let me select this hola. Right? Let me select this hola that has 300 coin. Or let me select bye. Okay, let me select bye, not hola. I'm going to change the avatar to avatar 2 because this one looks more like me. Okay, so you can see, right, immediately I selected it, the avatar has changed. So I'm going to select the hola, right? So once I select this hola, I don't like the way my mouth looks. So I'm going to go back. Let me go back. I'm tapping the back icon. Exit without getting the rewards. Without getting the reward, there are still 300 coins waiting to be rewarded. Exit, I beg. I'm going to go back. So I'm going to click the plus sign at the top left corner of my screen. Then I'll select avatar 2. I want to change my lips. This is avatar 2. I'm going to change that. So I'll tap on face at the right of my screen. I'll tap face. Then I'm going to change mouth, my lips. Alright, so I'm going to select the one that I prefer. So let me select this one. I think I like this one. Let me select this one. Let me select this one. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, then my nose, let me see. Let me just leave the nose the way it is. Let me just leave the nose. So I'm going to click save. Alright, I'm going to click save, then and I'll go back again to create stickers. I don't know if I've said this before. When you watch an advert, you get some coins. Alright, so that is how the app too is. That's one of the ways the app is making money. So when you watch an advert, they reward you with coins. So that advert you're watching, they are also being rewarded with some real money. Do you get? So I'm going to click the next icon at the bottom of my screen from the left. I'll click it. Then I'm going to click stickers at the top right corner of my screen. Then I'm scrolling back to that whole at least I don't like these lips. I thought I've changed the lips. I don't like these lips. Okay, let me say okay. Let me select okay. Alright, redeem. Then I'll click save. I just tap save, so it has saved to my gallery. Alright, so you can see my coin has reduced. It was 2,830. Now it's 2,530. So that is how to create an avatar of yourself. I'm going to my gallery so that we can see the one I just saved now. So the avatar is more colorful and more fun. It's more like a game. So but if you're not the type that is interested in playing all those games, so you can see the one I just saved, right? I'm tapping on it. See the first one I created, then see the one I just saved. So this is it. This is how to use the bots, how to create an avatar of yourself using these two apps. I know there are other apps out there, but you can just try these two because they are really satisfying, and I don't think there's any need for me to start downloading another app. So if you found this useful, please don't forget to like. Of course, follow me on Instagram at Queen Ideas, okay? Follow me for more content like this, and also let me know you found this useful so that I can, when I create new content, you see it and you don't miss out. Also turn on my notification bell so you'll be among the first to know, all right, once I create a new content. All right, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, please subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. Okay, tell me what you think about the content. Should I continue creating it or should I create something else? All right, so save this also because you might want to reference it in case you forget any step. All right, so until I come your way again, I'm Queen Ideas, working from home, a digital marketing consultant, an aspiring TEDx speaker. I have physical disabilities as a result of muscular dystrophy, and what again? I've been able to service over 200 small business owners with sponsored ads, strategic sponsored ads, and other digital marketing strategies / solutions. All right, so till I come away again, like I said, it's Queen Ideas from the Snapdragon Consulting. This will be all for now. Bye.